In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to log in to the Pathful Explore website in order to begin researching a career of interest. What you're looking at right now are the instructions page for completing page 1 of the career research document. Remember that you can either complete an electronic copy of the document or a paper copy of the document. If you'd like a paper copy of the document, just make sure you ask for one. It should be 3 pages printed on green paper and stapled. If you would like to complete an electronic version of the document, I highly recommend clicking on this Google Doc version link and then making a copy of the document that will automatically pull up. You could also try to complete a PDF version. Just be careful with how you save the PDF on your computer as you go through and type your responses. Also remember that you will be submitting either a photo if you're completing it on paper or the entire document each time to 3 separate assignments. There is a separate assignment for page 1, page 2, and page 3. But for right now, let's talk about how to log in to the Pathful Explore website. You can either click on this Pathful Explore link here, which should take you to this portion of the website, or you are more than welcome to do a simple Google search for Pathful Explore, or type in the web address bar pathful.com/explore. If you end up viewing this page first instead of this page, then you have a couple of extra steps before you can select your school. From this page, click the Login button and then click Pathful. This will redirect you to this page where you can now select your school or organization. You need to type Logan High School and then make sure that you select the option that says Logan High School-Special Ed, not the Logan High School, Logan City School District option. So here I'm going to select the first option because that's the correct license. Remember that your username is your last name, period, first name. If you have multiple last names, it will simply be your first last name as it appears on Aspire, period, your name. Make sure that you spelled it correctly. There are no capital letters. And then your password is your birth date in the format month, day, year. An example of this I have right here. Again, the username will be your last name, period, first name. So for example, that could be Smith, period, John. And then if your birth date is in the first couple months of the year, you will need to be sure to add a leading 0 for the month, and similar with the day if the date is before the 11th. So for example, if John was born on February 15th, 2010, he would type 02152010. Or if you were born on November 6th of 2009, he would type 11062009. Note that there are no periods, forward slashes, nor dashes in your password. It is simply the numbers associated with your birth date. Returning to the Pathful Explore website, you should see a page that looks like this upon logging in. If you would like to review your assessment results because you've already completed the career cluster survey, you can click Take Assessment and then you should be able to see results from any assessments you've completed. As a reminder, there are some of your top career clusters, and you can click in each one of them and see different careers, which will show up at the bottom, as you're attempting to select a career in which you're interested in researching. Depending on the career research assignment, you either have to pick a career from your top 3 clusters, from one of your bottom clusters, or you get to pick whichever career you would like to research that the website has available. The best way to learn about the different options on the website are to click the Career button at the top and then click Career Profiles. On the left-hand side, you can filter for particular career clusters if you know you're really interested in something in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or maybe in information technology. And then you will only see careers that belong to those clusters. If you also have a particular career in mind already, and if you're wondering if the website has it available, you can simply search for that career in the search box near the top of the page. In this particular case, I know that I'm pretty interested in researching an electrical engineer, so I'm going to type the word electrical and hit the search. You'll notice that a lot of different options have come up because the website is displaying all sorts of results related to the concept of electrical, but I was specifically thinking of electrical engineer, so I'm going to click on this particular card right here, click one more time to actually open up the profile, and then I'm going to make sure that I click the heart button so that it is added to my careers. That way, the next time I enter the website, it's a lot easier for me to find the career that I'm actively researching. And that's just a simple overview of how to log into the website and select a career of interest.